havet. There it is. Hello. Og så skal vi have noget yellow blinkers. Yes, just like this. There it is. Like this and this one. Okay. There it is. Let's go. So today we are going to pick up this Mercedes. It is the customer states that the engine is cutting out when it's driving, so that we're gonna take care of to drive it to the workshop. So this should be fairly easy. And just like that, ooh, this is a smoker's car. Okay, let's see. Nope. Okay, this won't even start. Let's try to jump it. Maybe we can get it just to roll. Maybe, or maybe not. It's dead. Super dead. Okay. That is the handbrake. Where is it? Foot ledge. There it is. Very good. So just to make it easy for myself, I'm gonna jump start it. Well, try to. So first we are going to put on the plus, and then we're gonna put on the minus. $11.4, that's a bit too low. So here we're gonna go, see if we can get it to start. Okay. Nope. So it won't work Let's take the very nice app I got here. Shift lock is one of the best apps I have. Get it in neutral. Come on. Yes, I am continuing. Thank you. So we're gonna take and choose the Mercedes, and this is a E something something. Let's see, something is reminding of this. SLK C300. That is looking like it. So we're gonna take this, gently pull it up like that. Let's see here. So pull it up, or let's try with a screwdriver. Aha. Thank you. That's it. It worked. Very nice. I need the handbrake. Okay. Going to remove the battery charger, because that didn't make any difference. So, close this again. So, take this. And freewheel this. And like that. Put it here. And let us roll. Hold the brake, release the parking. Let's go! Yeah, it's working. And yeah, got it. Push the brake. And let's pull it up. If it is possible, it should be. So, let's see if I can get on the arm. Let's see here. Okay, this is not easy. Got it over. This is not as easy as I thought. There, one over and one under. So I need this foot. So like that. Oh, I need to release this. Like that. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Parking brake. And to take the key, just in case, so it doesn't lock us out of the car. Okay. Why can't I get it out? Let's try to sit in here. Oh, that's why. Okay. Thank you. This. Oh, that's too far down. Yeah, this is promising. So, yeah, that's it, guys. See you in the next video.
Hey.